Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can add Twitter feed to your Google Sites website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Google Sites and then just scroll down below to the description on this video and click on the link L-Site. When you're going to do it, you'll get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is Twitter feed. So let's click sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. It's up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here, you're gonna see applications, and you just want to write here in search Twitter, and you're gonna see Twitter feed. So let's click on it. Now we want to start with the hashtag testimonials. I really like the profile timeline. Let's continue with the template. Now you just simply connect to Twitter with your account. That's it. Change the layout, etc. if you want to have it dark. Then just click save. Right after that, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, up to 5 million views, go with the basic Pro or Enterprise. Let's copy the code here. Now what you want to do is just simply insert empt code, paste the code and insert. And this is how simple it was. Just move it, it's going to load for a while and make it bigger, and you got it. So it will work after you publish the website. So have a great day everybody.